Why the Indian government is not a big fan of Tesla's move to India. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has been seeking lower import duties on electrical vehicles, EVs, in India, but so far to no avail. The Narendra Modi government wants the U.S. electric car maker to manufacture in India as a precondition to easing duties. But Tesla has shown no inclination to oblige, thus the delay in its India debut. Industry experts justify the government's stance, saying Tesla's not offered to facilitate the development of India's domestic EV industry, something the government will always prioritize. According to Mohit Yadav, the co-founder of electric vehicle infra firm Bolt, the government has to incentivize local EV manufacturing in India, especially after the Make in India campaign and issues related to heavy dependency on Chinese manufacturers that India witnessed during the COVID-19 pandemic. But why Musk's demand doesn't bring a solid value to India? For the past 3 years, the CEO of Tesla has been citing the same reason for not launching sales in India. He said that the world's highest import duties can be found in India. India levies a 60% import tax on electric vehicles priced up to $40,000 and 100% on vehicles above that. These rates, Tesla argues, will make its cars unaffordable and unable to compete in the local market. For instance, in the US, a Tesla model will cost around $44,690. With a 100% import duty, a buyer in India will have to shell out at least $78,625 for the same car. The Indian government's unwillingness to budge also stems from the fact that the share of luxury cars is already low in India, not to speak of luxury EVs. Luxury car sales account for a mere 2% of overall passenger vehicle sales in the country. India buys approximately 25 million autos every year, according to certain estimates, including two-wheelers. By importing batteries, microcontrollers, motors, and the ores that account for 60% of a vehicle's cost, India will spend upwards of $65 billion per year to make transportation completely electric. Budget segment two-wheeler and four-wheeler passenger vehicles dominate the Indian auto industry. This rapid rise in EV demand has been linked to middle-income Indian families concerned about the cost of a new car while making a purchase. The high cost of electric vehicles is one of the most significant barriers to their adoption in India. EVs are more costly than ICEs and have a much larger initial investment. The price difference between an electric car and a comparable ICE vehicle can go up as high as 3 to 4 times, making EVs a less appealing alternative for the ordinary Indian buyer. This significant disparity in EV upfront prices might result in expensive research and battery expenses, a shaky raw material supply chain, and inadequate economies of scale. On the other hand, the chorus to reduce duties has also been growing. Besides Tesla, firms like Mercedes-Benz and Audi too have sought a similar move to generate demand for EVs. Let's see what people online think about this story. Ahmed Raul tweeted, "I think all Indians will now appreciate a certain individual who kept pushing for India to be self-reliant at a time when no one believed in him." Another user tweeted, "Tesla not coming to India is a blessing in disguise. It's good for our local electric vehicle manufacturers. Arrogance always has a fall." That was all for today. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos about technology and finance.